The first one is the 2 layers mini rack. For this one, the item number is WS121212. And for this item, the size is 20 by 20 centimeters, and the height is also 30 centimeters. Now I will show you how to install these items. For this item, it has the white shirt is like this. It's the square white shirt, and the post we will put inside the white shirt. So the packing size is very small. So it is good for your online business and offline business. And for this item, the post size is 14, and the material is carbon steel, and the finish is chromed. You can see this finish. And for this is the part. This is the leveling feet. We will install the leveling feet on the bottom of the 4th post. And this is the practice clips. We will use the practice clips to install the white shape, so you don't need any other tools to install the white shape. So for this item, the loading completed of this item is 30 kilos per share. Now we will show you to install the white shape. Yes. Now we will install the leveling feet on the buttons of the post. It's like this. And the leveling feet you can adjust like this. So we can show you this one. And by the way, I will show you the second ones in the same time. And this is the second one. This item is CJC1040. And for this item, the size is 40 by 20 centimeters, and the height is also 45 centimeters. And for this item is also same with the first one. The post size is 14, and the finish is chromed. And the loading capacity of this one is also 30 kilos per shirt. And for this item, the packing size is very small. The packing size is 41 by 21, and the height is 9 centimeters. So the packing is very small. So it is easy to. And this one is also is KT packing, so it is good for online business or offline business. And for this item, you also can put in the home kitchen. Also, you can put other place if like such as the bedroom, living room, or other place what you like.